Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you a new charm that I have purchased today. It's a charm from the Valentine's Day collection and it's a Disney charm as well. So when I saw it I fell in love with it and I couldn't wait for my boyfriend to buy it for me. So I bought it today. And this is this charm, which is really beautiful. It's a dangle charm. I'm going to show it to you guys. So as I said, it's a dangle charm with Mickey and Minnie holding a heart with a pink CZ in the center. On here you have small CZs as well as the logo. And the cute thing about it is that you also have a heart that matches the CZ color, and on the back it says love. So now I'm going to show you my Disneyland bracelet and how I'm going to design it. So as you can see here, I made a few changes on my bracelets. I removed the blue Muranos to add pink Muranos to match the Aurora dress and this here. And I think the best idea would be to put my new charm in here and move the castle to here so we can create a symmetry. I'm going to do this right now, guys, and show you how it looks. So here's the final look of my Disneyland bracelet. As you can see, I put a charm here because the color matches really well the enchanted rose charm, and the castle I put it just beside this one, the vintage mini charm, because it reminds me of Paris, Disneyland Paris. The castle is pastel pink with blue rooftops. So just a quick story. When I finished filming my Pandora mini winter sale haul, I realized that my Mickey charm was missing, and I looked for it everywhere in the house and I was almost crying because I'm so unlucky. And I don't know if you remember, but in a previous video I told you that on New Year's Eve I lost my mini clip, and fortunately the host found it on the balcony. I was really lucky because it's such a small piece, you can lose them anywhere. And then I returned it to the store and asked for an exchange because it was always opening. And then the Mickey charm, actually I found it again. It was inside one of my grocery bag. So I don't know if I'm the most unlucky girl in the world, or in the contrary, if I'm like the luckiest girl, because I lose such precious pieces and I found them. I always find them. So here you go, guys. So for my voice, I'm really tired. I had a really busy day today, but I really wanted to share this with you guys. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you will like it, and I hope this charm will be gifted to you for Valentine's Day.